start off with a word problem. Read this problem and imagine what is happening. Cynthia has 18 sheep on her family's farm. 6 sheep fit in each pen. How many pens does Cynthia's family need for the 18 sheep? What information do we already know? What don't we know? Cynthia has 18 sheep on her family's farm. 6 sheep fit in each pen. How many pens does Cynthia's family need for the 18 sheep? Fill in the information we already know. Let's create a picture to represent the problem. We know there are a total of 18 sheep on Cynthia's family farm, and there will be 6 sheep in each pen. That's the size of each group. Can you show one group of 6? So if each pen can hold 6 sheep, how many pens does Cynthia's family need? Cynthia has 18 sheep on her family's farm. 6 sheep fit in each pen. How many pens does Cynthia's family need for the 18 sheep?
We made 3 groups of 6, so Cynthia's family needs 3 pens.
Nice work. How does the equation 18 divided by 6 equals 3 represent the problem we just solved? How does 18 divided by 6 equals 3 represent the problem we just solved?
We knew the total, 18 sheep. We divided them into groups of 6 sheep. Then we figured out that meant 3 groups of sheep in all.
You've got it. Ready for your next problem? This one will be in your Zern notes. Today, we're working on Mission 1, Lesson 5. Cynthia plans to buy 15 burgers. 3 burgers come in each pack. How many packs should she buy? Is the unknown in this problem the number of groups or the size of each group? What is the unknown in this problem?
We don't know the number of groups or packs.
That's right. Let's draw to find out how many packs Cynthia needs. First, draw one group to represent one pack of burgers. Use a circle to represent each burger. Solve this in your notes. Cynthia plans to buy 15 burgers. 3 burgers come in each pack. How many packs should she buy? Draw one group to represent one pack of burgers. I'll draw one group like this. with 3 circles in it. Because we know that each pack has 3 burgers. Check your work to make sure you're on the right track. Then, finish drawing to show how many packs of 3 burgers Cynthia should buy. Remember, she wants to buy 15 burgers in total. Cynthia plans to buy a total of 15 burgers. So I'll keep adding groups of 3 until I get to 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Check your work. Then write a division expression to represent the drawing. Fill in the total number of burgers and the number we're dividing by, the number of burgers in each pack. There are 15 total burgers that are divided into packs of 3. This expression represents our drawing. So based on our drawing, how many packs should Cynthia buy? Write your answer in the equation and word sentence. "15 burgers divided into groups of 3 gives us 5 packs. So Cynthia needs 5 packs. Check your work. Now let's finish this problem by writing the total number of burgers under each pack. She has 3 burgers in one pack, 6 burgers in 2 packs. Your turn. Finish writing the total number of burgers under each pack.
Three, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Nice! Why did we stop at 15?
Because Cynthia only needs 15 burgers.
You've got it. What do you notice about these numbers, Ethan?
It's like counting by 3. We counted 5 threes in all.
That's right. Skip counting also shows us that Cynthia needs 5 packs. I've got one more problem for you today. Let's solve 20 divided by 4. First, represent this problem by dividing 20 discs into groups of 4. Then solve.
We divided the 20 discs into groups of 4. There are 5 groups. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5.
Nicely done! Way to divide and conquer this lesson. Next challenge, Tower of Power.